That's the moment y'all been waiting for.
Story. You would have more accept and appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Guys, welcome back to another video. You know overwise in here Volcano. Come up on Volcano Live, guys. Look at this. Volcano official. Shannon's lifestyle. Yeah. Them I get in my video today.
I love French
today,
fries.
them in my video.
Well, Shannon's.
Say hi to my video. Say hi to my vlog. Say hi. Oh no, say hi. You will not go
Big up the vlog. Big up the vlog. Hi to the vlog.
You see them I say hi, people? Alright, let's get back to my fried chicken. Alright.
Remember to subscribe to Volcano TV channel.
Big up your channel to Shannon.
Turn on a man as no social vlog. Go big up yourself.
Shannon, do you see him too? Big up your channel.
Shannon, big up your channel from Curry Vlog.
And subscribe to Shauna's Lifestyle.
Alright.
Show us some love, people.
Alright, so guys, you can see some people here. They're genuine people. You could check them out. Alright. So guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe, like, share, tell somebody about Life with Curry Goodaz, guys. Forget about my hair. My ears in a mess. Guys, I'll be making some fried chicken and fried dumpling. And I'll be doing a little vlog. It's not going to be too long, but a lot of people keep asking me how I do my fried chicken. I did a video a long time ago, like a couple months ago with my fried chicken. So today I'll be showing you guys how I make my fried chicken. Yes, my fried chicken, guys. So first, you gotta wash your meat, okay? So yes, guys, this is how I do it. I wash off the meat first, then I clean it up. I wash it first before I clean it, and then I clean it and then I wash it again. So this is the first step, guys. I have it there, so I wash it, then I go clean it right now, okay? Guys, you see my chicken there, clean them up. I'm adding my vinegar. Yes, guys, so alright then. So I'm gonna let it soak for 5 minutes, guys, then I'm gonna get back to it. A little chicken season, throw it already. So I am working with Easy Spice, guys. I love Easy Spice. It already have some funny already, guys. I'll be using some garlic sauce, so I'm not gonna use no sauce. Salt. Why this is not pick up so people? Why this one gonna show me in a couple of you too? I said the name before. Guys, I'm using a little of this. Just dash until your ancestors stuff is stop. Guys, I'm using some parsley. I like parsley. Like it just give a flavor for me. For me personally, I'm using some complete also. Complete seasoning, guys. And why Korea put so much seasoning, guys? I know what I am doing. I do this all the time and I don't have to wait. I know exactly what I am doing. Guys, I want it spicy, so guess what? Cayenne. Spicy. Now I'm gonna use some crushed peppers. Somebody back there go burn them. So it's gonna be some spicy fried chicken. So yes, guys, I have all my seasoning here, and then I'm going to combine them together and I'll show you what I am doing. Okay, sit back, relax, and wait for the finishing product. Guys, I add some milk in there, and my milk. Now I'm about to add my egg. Yes, guys, so then I'm gonna combine all of this together. I rub it up. I'm gonna drain out all of the egg. Woo! Wow, yeah, listen to me. Guys, I'm on Volcano Live. You'll see it at the end of this video. This looks nice already, don't I not cook it. Look there, nice food. I have my chicken seasoned here and soaked in my egg and milk. And here's my flour. I am going to season my flour. Put some spice in there because it's spicy chicken. chicken after spicy, guys. So you season the flour because you want it to have flavor. And I put some complete seasoning. Yeah, she. So yes, guys, and then we're gonna go by dip and drop. Dip and drop. Dip and drop. Keep my hand clean here, so I have the flour. And this people. Huh? Shake off the flour because guess what? You don't want too much excess flour to drop. You see me? And then you do like this. Make sure so everywhere get flour, guys. Guys, look at that. My chicken is frying. You see that? Yeah. I'm going to close the pot right now. So we can get a nice pretty color there. Oh no, I learned something today. So see the people, I lock the pot. Let it fry. A little them open it back. Guys, look at this chicken. Get into it. So yes guys, this is the first set of fried chicken right here. And I'm going to go by doing the second set of fried chicken. I'm actually doing 3 different sets. I didn't want to use too many oil, so I use a smaller pot. The second batch of fried chicken, guys. I'm going to cover it and leave it to fry. This is the second batch. I'm about to take them out now. When we are going out a drain, you know, the chicken soft. Third batch, guys, and this is the last of it. Turn back up the stove. Turn off right a little when it starts. Don't worry about that I leave it. It's gonna fry it either way. Guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel, okay? This is the last batch of fried chicken. Get into it, guys. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend about Life with Curry Goodaz. Guys, this is the moment you all have been waiting for. My fried chicken, yes guys, and it's gonna serve with some rice, and I have some carrot right here and onion cooked up in my sauce. This is going to be so good, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Life with Curry Goodaz. Bye guys, I'm out. Guys, please, I want you to run and check out Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle.